In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off production mode FiveM. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what setting you have to change in order to disable production mode. Production mode usually comes into play when you are trying to use certain commands inside of servers. So if you are trying to execute a command and you are just getting errors related to production mode or anything similar like developer mode, then the setting that you have to change is going to be available on the FiveM client. So on the FiveM client, access these settings before joining the server. When you go into the settings for the client, one of the options underneath the game category is going to be Update Channel. You will most likely have two options, release, and then something like Canary, experimental/unstable. What you have to do is switch over to the Canary experimental/unstable option. And as long as you switch to this, then you should be able to execute any commands that you wish without production mode getting in the way. So switch over from release to Canary and then try to input the command once more. This will now give you access to all of them, and it should work on any server that you try to input it on as long as you have the necessary permissions. If you are still encountering problems while trying to do this, then switch the option and restart FiveM altogether. Besides this, there's not much else to do besides you can try editing the shortcut and adding specific lines in there, but this seems to be the most up-to-date method related to disabling production mode. If you find another more up-to-date method, please be sure to leave it in the comment section below. But as it stands today, this seems to be the proper way to manage production mode and input any commands that you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off production mode in FiveM. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.